Hey guys, it's Prachi and in today's video I'll talk about the July Go and Save box and what you can expect in your July Go and Save box. So guys, this is my July Go and Save box. As usual, it comes in a very nice clean packaging and I'll quickly take you through this box. By the way, not cheating, I've already opened this box before. I was very excited to try this out, but I have put back everything in the box as it is so you can get the feel of the box, in this video. So yeah, like when you open the box, the first thing you see is this card. As you can see, it's a pretty card. It contains information of all the products with all the prices. Just, I don't know, like I know this is a bit irrelevant, but I love this card. It's something which you can actually use. If you're making a card for your friend, you can just use it, like just stick it and just cheat over there, or you can actually use this in your room around just to decorate stuff for your diary or something. It's really pretty. So yeah, like that's a card with all the descriptions and the price of all the products, and I just put that on the side right now. Actually, I'll keep that with me because I'll read out all the prices while talking about the products. So inside this box, you'll find 4 products and all of these are full-size products. Also, like I mentioned in the title of the video, in the beginning of the video, it's India's first cruelty-free box. If you're an animal lover like myself, I think that is so good. All the products are like, animal cruelty-free. They're not tested on animals, and that is really nice. Apart from the fact, they're also introducing a new brand this month called Seer Secrets. I've never heard of Seer Secrets before. It's a new brand and they're launching this new brand in this month's box. I think that is really cool. And this one is basically a deodorant cream with real silver. I think that's like the first time I'm hearing of something like that. A deodorant cream with real silver. Now this deodorant cream, guys, is not like the usual creams, it's very frosty in texture. It's not like a cream. It's more like a frosty thing, and you can apply this on your underarms. So it keeps your underarms odorless for about 7 to 8 hours. Also helps in dealing with underarm itching and dark underarms, something that happens because of hair removal techniques. So I thought that was like really cool. So that was a Seer Secrets Lemon Cypress Japanese Mint Deodorant Cream. And this 100-gram jar retails for rupees 324. By the way, guys, before proceeding, just one quick thing I want to mention. All the 4 products in this box, they are worth rupees 1,400 plus, a little bit more than 1,400. But the price of this box is approximately half of that. So I'll mention the price of the box in the description box below, okay? I'll mention all the prices, I'll mention the price of the box, so it's just less confusing that way. And now moving to the next product that you'll find in this box. And that's another one from the same brand, Seer Secrets. I don't know if you guys have noticed this or not, but in Go and Save, usually they try to keep 2 or 3 brands only, so you can actually, like know the brand well, not just like use one product and forget about it. You can actually get to know the brand better. So yeah, the next product is again from Seer Secrets. And this is a 5-mint species heat absorbing body mist. It's got a very calming minty scent, and you just need like 1 or 2 whiffs of the spray. You don't even need to use a lot, and it'll really put you to such a nice mood of relaxation. I actually used this last night just before going to sleep, and it was very calming. It was very relaxing, and it really kept me in a very good mood for hours. This 100 ml bottle retails for rupees 396. The next 2 products in this box are from the brand Soul Tree. I guess I'll pick this one up first because we are kind of going in this direction today. So I'll quickly take you through this first product from Soul Tree that is there in this box. So what I'm holding in my hand right now is a Soul Tree Hibiscus Hair Conditioner, and this 100-gram tube will retail for rupees 350. Now, believe it or not, guys, this product actually happens to be one of the most popular products from Soul Tree. I myself have been dying to try this one out for so long. And one of the most important things that I want to mention about this conditioner, guys, is that it contains henna and shikakai. So what's interesting about this conditioner is that, guys, apart from making your hair soft, like it makes your hair soft obviously, apart from that it also makes your hair stronger because henna and shikakai are such great ingredients for your hair. They're so good for you. And the formula is actually very light, very light, and it's got a very nice mild fragrance which I really love. And last but not the least, I have with me the Soul Tree Cleansing Lotion, and this one is a 150 ml bottle which retails for rupees 395. It contains aloe, rose water, licorice, and also does a really good job of a skin toner. So after you use this, you don't really even need to use a skin toner. Just clean your face, tone your face with this, and you're good to go. It comes in a very handy pump bottle. Just see, very handy. and has a very mild to almost negligible scent of rose water. So it doesn't have a very strong scent. In fact, there's a good chance you might even miss it. But as you can again see, the formula is very light and it's great for you even if you have sensitive skin. I think this is something which would work beautifully for you. So guys, that's what I got in my July Go and Save box. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about them, or if you have subscribed to them before, feel free to share your feedback, feel free to share your reviews in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel and follow me on my social media for more. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is me Prachi signing off now.